wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best Play-Doh sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10 with the 36-pack case. The possibilities are truly endless. There are several shades in each color family, which allows for accuracy when modeling creations after real-life objects. This is a good choice for children of all experience levels. They have a consistent texture and can be reused again and again. However, the set doesn't come with any tools. At number 9, especially young children will benefit from receiving the numbers, letters, and fun. It provides the opportunity to explore math and reading concepts and can give them a head start in those subjects before they enter elementary school. You get 8 1-ounce cans and a plastic safety knife, but the stamps are too small. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Simple to use and loads of fun, the Sweet Shop Cookie Creations is ideal for budding bakers. They can use the 4 cutters, icing extruder, textured rolling pin, and tray with embedded molds to create and decorate big batches of colorful play treats. This one's been tested for quality and durability and is made using child-safe materials. However, the frosting syringe doesn't work very well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Play-Doh sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the classic Dr. Drill and Fill is a good gift for kids who are curious about or fearful of the dentist's office. It helps demonstrate the basics of oral care in a fun and engaging way, and there's even a buzzing drill included. The instructions are clear and the roller mold can make braces, but the jaw hinge wears out quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. The sizzlin stovetop comes with a pan, a spatula, plates, tongs, and 5 tubs of dough. If your child is interested in developing their cooking skills, this set will allow them to create their very own dishes just like mom and dad. It includes steak and fish stampers and a range that produces sound effects. However, the required batteries are not included. Halfway up our list at number 5, the My Little Pony Macon Star comes with 4 horse-shaped molds. So if you have more than one youngster in the house, everyone will be able to create their own model. The manes and tails can be customized in many ways using the extruder. It comes with 3 shades of blue and a mold palette with 8 shapes. It's reasonably priced. At number 4, perfect for sleepovers, birthday parties, or multi-child homes. The Playdate Party includes a mega-sized mat with 4 fun themes: pretend picnic, facial expressions, jungle, and farm. It also comes with over 40 tools, including some duplicates to encourage sharing. This one's great for classrooms too, and includes a handy box for storage. It keeps kids busy for hours. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Fun Factory Mega Set comes with a mat that you can roll out to keep messes contained whenever and wherever the kids want to play. Also included is an extruder that can be used to make all kinds of interesting details, like hair for example. It features knife and pizza cutter tools and 22 distinct stamp shapes. It encourages creativity. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Play-Doh sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, what kid doesn't love pizza? The Kitchen Creations Pizza Party makes it possible for children to whip up their own personal pies with ingredients like tomatoes, mushrooms, and pepperoni. The grater tool is ideal for making shredded cheese and spaghetti. The colors can be mixed and it comes with a delivery box. The molds release easily. And taking the top spot on our list, the Play and Store table is sized for small bodies and has built-in storage compartments that make cleanup a breeze. It's a good starter pack with plenty of bold colors and cutters in playful shapes, among other accessories. It can make ice cream cones and the molds are embedded in the surface. Assembly is quick and easy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Play-Doh sets, or simply click beneath this video.